Hey kids, so I'm here with another problem. The question is that a car is traveling. So there's a car. Okay, suppose this looks like a hat. Suppose it's a car. Okay, and there's someone sitting. Okay, the car is traveling with a speed of 36 kilometer per hour, and the driver applies brake. Okay, so brakes are applied. Whenever there's a question that brakes are applied, it means that its final velocity is going to be 0. Okay, all right, so this is its initial velocity and final velocity is 0. So there is a retardation. Okay, uniform, the car slipped. Okay, so from here to here. Okay, and it stopped in 5 seconds. So time is given how much? 5 seconds. We have to find acceleration, and B, we have to find the distance before it stops. So from point this to point this, what is the distance we have to find out, and what is the acceleration. Okay, so how to do this? Though it's simple, time is given in seconds. Okay, but initial velocity is in kilometer per hour. So let's convert this into meter per second, what it will be. Okay, so 36 kilometer is 1000 meters, and hours to seconds is 60 into 60 seconds. 0 0 gone. Okay, then 6 6 6 the 36, 6 1 the 6, so it's 1 into 10 meter per second. Final velocity we know 0 meter per second. So this is u, this is v, time is t. So what will be A? Acceleration is v minus u upon t, right? Okay, so 0 minus 10 upon t. So what is t? 5, right? So minus 10 upon 5. So A equals to what? Minus 2 meter per second square. Okay, why did we get this minus sign? So negative sign is for retardation, right? Brakes were applied, remember? So brakes were applied, so that's why negative acceleration. Acceleration were of 3 type. Okay, out of 3 type: positive, negative and 0. Okay, let's find out the distance now. Okay, so we have two formula for distances. S equals to ut plus half at square. We can use that. Otherwise we can use 2as equals to v square minus u square. So s equals to v square minus u square upon 2a. So s equals to v square. What is v square? 0 square. What is u square? What is u square? U 10 upon 2 into what is a minus 2, right? So s equals to minus 100 upon minus 4, s equals to 25 meter. Simple, right? Hope you got it.